Here we are going to walk on the close side of the embrace. So now when the leader does the side step, we want to be a little bit shorter than the follower to end with the follower on our left side. So in this way we can walk on the close side of the embrace in cross systems. Again, the salida, but leave the follower there on your left. And she has her weight on her right leg. Let's start left and left in cross system. That will be basically the idea. If you walk in the close side of the embrace, you can always exit with the backward 8 chain system. Always you can exit with the backward 8 chain system tango close. For the follower, as the salida, your partner lifts you on his left side. So now he is on your left. And cross system walking until he makes you cross, and then it's a backward 8 and we can close or keep walking. Salida, leave your partner on your left side, walk straight in cross system, now change to do a backward 8 and then close. From the other point of view, your partner is on your left side, walk, try to walk straight until you want to exit into the backward 8. Try to make that walk on the close side of the embrace straight. We can make it curve in any direction, but also sometimes we want to do it straight. Let's try that.